sir. Birthday party is common terrorist chatter for an attack.
We cross-checked NSA's data with ELINT from 3 other sources. Everything shows Dallas as a target, but nothing specific.
Probability points to here and here. Stadium and aquarium. We're all clear to land at Love Field instead of Fort Worth. It'll shave some time when we hit the ground.
We'll keep you updated by the second. Any questions?
Yeah, why is Charlie pacing?
I already told her.
So tell me.
I pulled the NCTC data on all major US cities to scope out any hits on the no-fly list.
What's this?
Nothing. A whole lot of it. Chicago TSA was down today. The no-fly registry was offline for a 5-hour window.
System maintenance, they confirmed.
Let him finish.
I ran the passenger names on incoming flights against the missing no-fly list manually. 6 names popped. Now check this out. Security cam feed from O'Hare Airport. Those 6 guys left together.
I'm not saying it's nothing, but it's not a priority.
We have intercepts from multiple agencies confirming Dallas.
Totally proves my point. Nobody said shit before Guam. And the last time the engineers barfed info all over the net, a bunch of special forces teams got slaughtered.
How far's Chicago if we divert our flight?
That's too far, Sam. We only get one chance, and if we come up blank in Chicago, we don't have time to make Dallas.
Sam?
We're go for Chicago.
Just because Charlie sees dots does not mean they connect. The president...
Gave me full authority to run this operation.
And she can take it away if you disregard her order to go to Dallas.
A direct attack doesn't make sense. Not after what Sadiq pulled in Marawa.
What's that? Chicago SWAT. They're responding to a hostage situation.
Get the chopper ready.
Schematics say that place is a rat maze. Plus, there's the hostages. Sleeping gas will...
Sam, the kidnappers have been in contact with Chicago PD.
Demands?
Negative. The only thing they want is to make sure the police steer clear of the area.
Why take hostages if you don't want anything?
Could be in over their heads. This might not be the engineer, Sam. Dallas is still a primary for half the agency.
Timer's at 0. We're not turning back now.
Fuck! He's unconscious.
He was knocked unconscious. Spread out and search.
I'm gonna sit tight.
Sam, it looks like you can shortcut the back hall by moving through the fence. There's access behind the stage, but it's not at ground level.
How'd that thing get here?
Looks like the police are staying behind the perimeter. Over.
Hey. I see him! Son of a bitch! Take him out!
He's still here. Keep looking.
Grim, I'm leaving the festival hall.
Any sign of the hostages?
No, just untrained idiots with cheap gear.
Still think this is a blacklist attack?
We'll find out.
You wanna know what I think? I think they ain't scared enough.
They look pretty damn scared to me.
Man, this is nothing. Nobody's pissed themselves yet.
I see him!
I know, you're scared. You don't understand what's happening. It's okay, baby. I can explain it to you. It's just too bad your husband's not here to protect you. He's in the next room, all tied up, getting bombs. He can't help you. You shouldn't be with a man who can't protect you. Don't worry. I'm here. I'll keep you. And your husband...
Gunfire! Shooters over there!
Baby, watch.
I see him! Over there! Heads up! Hostiles on the move!
Grim, I'm leaving the festival hall.
Any sign of the hostages?
No, just untrained idiots with cheap gear.
Still think this is a blacklist attack?
We'll find out.
You wanna know what I think?
Got it, kid! I see him!
understand what's happening. It's okay, baby. I can explain it to you. It's just too bad your husband's not here to protect you. He's in the next room all tied up with the other bombs. He can't help you. You shouldn't be with a man who can't protect you. Don't worry. I'm here. I'll keep you safe. And your husband, the guy that brought you here, well, maybe he can...
Hostages are in the boiler room. The place is wired receive 4, but all the hostiles are down.
Roger that. Should I send in the bomb squad? That corridor's wide open. Check for pipes running along the ceiling. They might give you some cover. That corridor's wide open. Check for pipes running along the ceiling. They might give you some cover.
Take him down!
That corridor's wide open. Check for pipes running along the ceiling. They might give you some cover.
That's the end of him.
That corridor's wide open. Check for pipes running along the ceiling. They might give you some cover.
Could use another set of eyes over here. Let's do this.
Okay, Sam, you're entering an old sewage tunnel. It looks like it heads towards a water filtration plant.
Could be their actual target.
No, the drone isn't responding. Hang on. Sending another one.
Your men are after the water filtration plant. Why?
Go to hell. I'll tell you.
biological weapon. They're using a disease.
To poison the water supply? How do I get the bombs off the hostages?
The code. Flash drive on my belt. I told you everything you wanted. I helped you. You can't kill me, please. Grim?
We heard it all, Sam.
Give me a flash drive. Connecting it to my offset now. Relay it to Chicago SWAT. Tell them thanks for their patience.
Sam, surveillance footage shows the vans Charlie tagged at the airport arrived here an hour ago.
Shit, I'm too late.
We don't know that yet. Hurry.
Okay, Sam, something you need to know about these drones? One shot knocks it out of action, but a couple, that sets off the explosive charge inside. Could be, useful in the right spot. That's all I'm saying. Okay, Sam, something you need to know about these drones? One shot knocks it out of action, but a couple, that sets off the explosive charge inside. Could be, useful in the right spot. That's all I'm saying.
What?
Live and in search mode.
I heard footsteps. Everyone spread out and search.
Sam, I think I've got confirmation this is the engineers.
Why?
The flash drive. It's using a variant of triple DES military-grade encryption protocols. It's a direct match to the encryption used by Sadiq and Mirawa.
Good work, Charlie.
Friendly is down. We gotta find who did this. Walking it back now. Roger that. All clear on this end.
I can see you closing on the filtration plant. There's roof access if you can get up there.
First step to getting out of the U.S. is getting out of here. The sooner you take that step, the better.
take out on the plant's security?
It's not just the security, it's all the systems. I'm gonna have to unhack their hack to open that door, or you're not getting to the gunk they're putting in the water.
Work fast.
Got it. You're good to go, Sam.
Sam, they're pumping bioagent at 2 locations.
I'll take care of them.